Tropical Cyclone Damien is delivering heavy rainfall and gale force winds as it heads towards Western Australia's Pilbara coast. The Category 3 system is expected to make landfall this afternoon. Reporter Rhiannon Shine is in Karratha with more details on the conditions.
Conditions have been intensifying this morning. We've had wind gusts of close to 100 kilometres an hour here in Karratha, where I am. About 70 millimetres of rain has fallen, and it's expected to continue intensifying as the day goes on, with Tropical Cyclone Damien expected to cross the coast around Dampier, which is about 20 k's west of here, a port town, around 2 o'clock local time. That's going to bring destructive winds of up to 220 kilometres an hour.
And with those conditions expected to intensify as the cyclone makes its way towards the coast there, just how are locals coping?
Well, cyclones come with the territory in this part of the world, so people here know what to do. Over the past couple of days, they've been stocking up on food and water, sandbagging their homes and tying down whatever they can. We went into red alert last night, so people are now bunkered down and will be until this passes and we get the all clear. Some people are in evacuation centres, but certainly for the time being, people are staying inside and keeping up to date.
And Rhiannon, with the cyclone due to pass the coastline there a little later today, what's expected with that? Because we should also note that there are high tides as well. Is that going to be a factor?
It is going to be a factor. At the moment, Tropical Cyclone Damien is about 125 k's north-northwest of Karratha, and it's heading straight for Dampier, that port town I mentioned, just 20 k's west of here. And so we're expecting strong, destructive winds, 220 kilometre gusts, flooding, rainfall, storm surges. So everyone here will remain bunkered down until we get the all clear.